Why do you think your method of trading is best for you? And for any aspiring traders out there, how do they figure out and then employ a method of trading that works for them?
I mean, yeah, my way of trading has evolved over many, many years. You know, it's been refined and refined and refined. With the big step coming when I stopped working, you know, that really made me sort of change things a bit. But in terms of, you know, it is experience. You know, it's learning how to manage noise, you know, cut out noise and not let things distract you and whatever. And it's difficult. I think you've got to sort of, you got to think about what your lifestyle is. You know, if you're working 70 hours a week, you ain't going to be a day trader. It's not going to happen. You haven't got time. So you have to find a system that means you can get money into the markets and you don't need to monitor it much, you know. And the good thing about the kind of approach I use, and it's probably because it was rooted in me having work, you know, because I worked for at least 10 years while I was investing or whatever. And it was always like I had to invest in these ways. I just didn't have time. You know, I couldn't have done anything different. So I could never have been a trader, really. So I think you've just got to be realistic about what your time and you know, you can see the different approaches people have, day traders, short-term traders and whatever. And just follow people on Twitter and just read books and just try to figure out what's going to work for you.
What advice would you give to yourself as a new trader if you could, I don't know, somehow connect in a parallel universe, which they're talking loads about at the moment, seems to be a massive thing about parallel universes, and talk to yourself 10 years earlier about trading? What would be the advice that you'd give yourself?
The obvious easy one is, you know, avoid the junk. You know, just don't buy crappy stocks. You know, it's as simple as that. Stick to quality. Buy real businesses that are quality, and that's how you can make money.
Are there any interesting stories or pearls of wisdom you'd like to share?
Sure, that, you know, I've said all the obvious ones like don't buy junk and let your winners run and, you know, these kind of things, and, you know, stick to quality companies. What more is there to it, you know? And you know, don't just get stuck down a fundamentals analysis road, or don't get stuck down just a charting road. You know, realise that these things are complementary and layer charting onto fundamentals and use psychology, you know, the whole trader psychology thing. Brilliant.